The strength of the wolf is the pack.
The pack relies on one thing to keep it together: vocal communication.
You know, I've always been that nucleus in the middle that brings everything together. So I could bring the thoughts from Rex, from the sideline, to exactly what we think. And now I bring the thoughts to the field to say, okay, check this out.
Wolf howls can travel up to 6 miles and help inform other pack members where everyone is.
I'm quarterbacking you, KG. I'm quarterbacking you. I got you. All right, KG, I'm behind you. He's rolling. Roll! You can do better than that, Jerry. I want you to say it what you would mean it, brother. Hey, I got Bob Sugar on the other line. I better hear you say it.
Yeah, no. Show you the money.
Not show you. Show me the money.
Show me the money.
Yeah. Louder.
Show me the money.
That's it, brother, but you got to yell that stuff.
Show me the money.
I need to feel you, Jerry.
Show me the money.
Jerry, you better yell.
Show me the money.
Wolves as a group, as packs around the den site, have group howls to communicate to neighboring packs, hey, we're here, and listen to how big we are.
I wanted to show my defense that if they lined up and showed me something that they showed me something previously on film, I'm going to call it out so everybody know it. I'm not trying to be the hero by myself. Look how many guys are communicating right here. Look how many guys are pointing. I'm yelling the draw is coming right now.
Wolves will howl in order to find each other.
We got to keep moving the ball. We got to keep moving.
So if an individual has left the pack for some time and is trying to find the rest of them, that individual will howl and will get a response, and that way can find the pack.
Get on with your life, would you?
What life? I got no life. I'm in the dark here. You understand? I'm in the dark.
So give up. You want to give up, give up. Because I'm giving up too. You said I'm through, you're right, I am through. We're both through, it's all over.
Rapport is created by a feeling of commonality.
So let's get on with it, let's fucking do it. Let's fucking pull the trigger, you miserable blind motherfucker.
Guy goes, hey, I like this guy. He's got some spunk, kick ass. Maybe he could do something. See, he became like the people he was communicating with.
Pull the trigger.
Here we go, Charlie.
I'm ready.
You don't want to die.
And neither do you.
Give me one reason not to.
I'll give you two. You can dance a tango and drive a Ferrari better than anyone I've ever seen.
I believe in you. You can get whatever you want at any time.
There you go. Did you feel that?
Yes.
What was that just happened? What just happened there when these came down like that? And you started breathing here too?
Start believing you.
You never seen anyone do either.
Give me a gun, Colonel.
Where do I go from here, Charlie?
You ain't got to force nothing. All right? Get in there, boom, draw two.
If you're tangled up, just tango on.
You're asking me to dance, Charlie.
Wolves will always be drawn to each other's company.
Greatest thing in the world for my life is when me and you found each other. Yeah, life don't get no better, man. I sleep real good at night, knowing I got a twin. What?
I love you. I'm not even embarrassed to say it. I love you.
I'm not embarrassed.
Love you.
I love you.
It's like, why don't we say that every day? Why can't we say it more often?
I just love you. I just want to go to the rooftops and scream, I love my best friend Evan.